Are you wondering if it's possible to set only me featured photos in Facebook? Disclaimer here, Facebook application does not support only me in featured photos. But I have some ideas for your friends not to visit your featured photos. First, go to your Facebook and click your profile down below. And click your name above it. In here, you will see your featured photos. Now let's see if there's an option on privacy. As we can see, we don't have here. So what I'm going to do, I will choose a background picture that is not engageable for viewers to click it. So let's try this picture. In my opinion, if you put your personal picture, your friends will have the eagerness to view it. So in our case, we will put not attractive or non-clickable picture. That's it. I hope this video helped you out.